I'm bored today.
Oh, man, nothing to do today.
Do you hear that noise?
Yeah.
What is that? Hold on.
Should I stay up here?
Wait. I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know. Sounds like it's coming from the basement. Let's go.
Ha. What is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my gosh. Jacob! Jacob!
What happened?
He got my leg!
Where were you?
I was right
And
here!
who is he?
Who? I need to go to the hospital. Let's go! Come on! Get up! Quick! I don't know. What was it? What did it look like? It was a creepy clown. With a tin finger. You wait right here. I'll go get it done. Yep. That was strange. Because I didn't see a thing. Because, well, I don't know what it is. But right now, Jacob's at the hospital. Or, wait, I'm Jacob. Hell, well, I'm Jacob. I forgot to tell you that. I'm Jacob. And, he's Mike. So. Hey, I'm gonna go see if he's alright. Hold on. You alright?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm at room 132.
Room 132. Where is that? No, this is 200 to 231. Mike, where are you? Mike! What room is it again?
213.
Oh, wait, 213. Ah.
Over here.
213. Here we are, 213.
That clown thing. It's really creepy. He came in with giant scissors and started cutting up my leg.
Want to go back down?
Sure. Oh my gosh. What is that?
Oh, wow, that's weird.
Here's the light switch. What is that?
Jacob, is that you? Jacob?
Jacob!
There it is!
Why are you? Because I feel like it. I feel
Where's
like
this your place? Not. Place. Don't make me. Either I kill you or your friend.
Me.
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 Well, I'm gonna kill you both. That's fun. Funner for me, more food for me. It's just the way it goes.
Yeah.
Well, I think I should kill you now.
Alright.